ICE Open Network is giving away 17 million ION tokens and 25,000 USDT. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to participate step by step. The ION, that is the ICE Open Network, they are expanding and they are continuously expanding their $ION. And this ION is getting listed on MEXC exchange, and the trading will start tomorrow 13th March at 10 o'clock UTC. So this is a great news. For you to earn more ION, you will have to participate on this their campaign. And if you are a new user, you don't have MEXC exchange, it is still an advantage for you to earn double. So what you will do is to download MEXC. The link will be in the video description as well. Let's quickly look at their latest updates on their X account. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. So they made this update 4 hours ago, the ICE Open Network. You can see it here 4 hours ago. They said the expansion continues. $ION is getting listed on MEXC with trading starting March 13th at 10 o'clock UTC. And they said this comes alongside with 17 plus million $ION plus 25,000 USDT airdrop campaign and additional rewards for new MEXC users. So this is an advantage for those that don't have MEXC account. You can download it and earn this passive reward. So how then will you join the airdrop campaign? You can see MEXC also posted this their listing. So what you do, if you click on the MEXC listing, that's the MEXC S account, you can see what they said also, and they said the trading will start 13th March. To join the airdrop campaign, this is what you need to do. So the link will also be in the video description so that you can easily click on it to join the campaign and try your luck. And for the new users, the new users exclusive reward, it will still be attached in the video description. So what you do is just to click on the airdrop plus campaign. It's going to redirect you here. Let's see what the campaign is all about. Wow, they said deposit and trade ION to win big. So the airdrop requires you, the campaign requires that you deposit or you trade ION on MEXC exchange to receive this 17 million rewards, including 25,000 USDT. And they said this campaign event will end in 6 days time. This is it. In 6 days time, this campaign will end. Now for the new users exclusive, if you're a new user, you don't have MEXC account, just click on this and you are going to share your link, download the app, just sign up with their referral link and you are going to receive this event campaign here on MEXC exchange. Now let's quickly go to the MEXC. They say you should deposit or trade ION. So let's go to MEXC exchange. So this is what you need to do. Is either you deposit or you trade. So let's assume you want to trade ION. Click on this. Sorry for this info. So what you do is you locate here, you search for ION. So we are going to search for ION here. Search for ION. So this is it. It's not showing any value here, but let's quickly check. Okay, the countdown is in 19 hours. You can see it here. You can see it here. The countdown is 19 hours. Let me check this one. 19 hours. That is when this ION/USDT pair will go live. 19 hours to go. So tomorrow the trading will start. So what you need to do is just to trade. You can as well buy the coin, trade it, and you will earn reward. This is the only avenue for you to participate and be able to claim this 17 million. It's either you deposit, you saw it there, or you trade. So tomorrow I'm also going to record a video on this. So what do you think? What do you think? ION is coming back to MEXC exchange. So MEXC is officially listing this token ION. So knowing that early participants usually get the biggest reward before the token price increases. So I'm going to record a video on this tomorrow on the latest update concerning their listing. So if you want to join this airdrop campaign, do where to start immediately. Link will be in the video description. Thank you guys and see you guys in the... So who is participating in this ION airdrop? Comment yes if you are joining. If you are joining this campaign, kindly comment yes. See you guys in my next video.